Why do oil sheiks love Novo Integrated Sciences? Let's find out together today. It's quite the juicy and dramatic story regarding this stock. I wanted to first show you the stock price for year to date. As you can see, Novo was humming along quietly at its own pace, and then all of a sudden here in September we saw huge volatility. Big spikes, and now it has come down a bit. Why is this? Why has this stock seen such a huge volatility? Well, we can look at an explanation from Yahoo Finance, where they talk about how this potential for Sheikh Khaled bin Mohammed bin Falad Al Thanian, Sheikh Khaled, to develop elder care facilities in Canada, and doing this with the unsecured 15-year 70 million promissory note. So basically there's financing news for this company. We will continue to build on this financing by looking at macro trends and some of the company performance in the past. However, this is not a guarantee. The deal is still undergoing, as is typical with this type of corporate finance deal. And in the communication to shareholders, we see that this company here that's doing the financing, that's connecting the financier with the company that wants money. In this case, it's Black Sheep Trust Compensation, and upon successful monetization, they will take a cut. So this is just common in investment banking and corporate finance. They only get a cut once the deal is completed. Nothing strange there, although it can be nice for newer retail traders to hear this, to see it in print. Alright, so how has this company that's attracting the attention of oil sheiks performed in the past? And if we look at past performance, we see that there is indeed a need for financing. So this is earnings per share in graph form, and as you can see, losses have accelerated as of recently. If we scroll down to see it on a year-by-year basis, we can see that this company has existed for quite some time. You will be shocked when I zoom out on the stock price graph. But we can see that in terms of annual earnings per share, losses have accelerated in recent years, although it seems that the last quarterly, they seem to have been stemming the bleeding in this case. And what's going on with revenue? This is also interesting. They're doing elder care. It should not fluctuate that much, right? Well, let's take a closer look at revenue and we shall see. In this case, you can see that revenue has just fallen off a cliff as of lately. Something huge happened in the business. And in terms of the potential for this company, as you can see, they're a part of the elderly healthcare in Canada and the US. So they're delivering multidisciplinary primary healthcare related services. In this case, this is one of the future megatrends that we've talked about on this channel. So if you want to learn more about megatrends in finance and the stocks that are riding them, consider pressing the subscribe button, and you will also make it sparkle with the latest YouTube update. Anyways, this company is poised to take advantage of this huge megatrend as discussed by Morgan Stanley in a research paper, and I think that this research has been consumed by the oil sheik as well, who's well aware of the potential of elder care in a country where the population is clearly aging, and aging quite a lot. We're only living longer and longer. Maybe that's why the sheik, who perhaps is looking to diversify his holdings, is looking to a company of this nature. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Are you a shareholder? Have you been following along for a long time? And do you think that this could be a turning point for this company if they get this financing through? Well, with more money, it opens up a hell of a lot more of possibilities. Alright, that's been it for this video, and as always, hope you guys make a ton of money, whatever investments you decide to make. Take care now. Bye bye.